Alright, before this video... Hello? I love this song. Locktails, please, chapter 5 already. I will stop studying if chapter 5 comes out. Please. Okay, let me give you, I'll just say that I already learned calculus. I think the latest lesson I learned is just basic integration. The thing is, I want to go back to pre-calculus, so, I have all my, what do you call it? All my groundwork done, just... Hold on. Oh. Whoops. Did I mess up? Did I end the stream by accident? Fuck. Hold on. The fuck? Wait, chat, am I here? I'm so confused. Fuck. No, please don't tell me. Okay, I accidentally closed OBS. Whoopsie daisies there. Alright, get this closer. Alright, let's do this! I closed OBS by accident. Whoops. We want Max Design, bro. No. Mod ban him for being a year late to that fucking meme. Alright. I guess let's get started. Let's do this. All right. Okay. Let. If you guys don't know how we do this, I think a pretty simple way to do a study stream is to do Khan Academy. I think that you can do. I mean, I could definitely just do YouTube videos or just some other ways of learning, but Khan Academy, you can actually see progress. You can track our progress. So I think it would be the best way to do it on stream. Um, and I don't know if what I've said before was cut off by me closing OBS, but I'll just say it again. I learned calculus until integration, but I want to make sure that I learn everything before getting into that, because you don't want to just rush into the recent thing, you know. So, you know, killed the stream again. What do you mean? I'm fine. All right, let's get what music should I use? I guess now I'll just keep using this. Why not? There we go. By the way, I actually just found some cool resources to learn some cool stuff if you guys want to know. Um, Let me get my stream on chat. Stop using Khan Academy. Then what should I use then? You're all just cutting in and out? Shit. My bad. Hopefully it should be good. Hello? Chat, you should chat spam hello. Or I don't know, KYS or something. Alright, bet. Use AB Classroom. I'll check it out later after stream. Alright, bet. Okay, at least chat knows I exist. It's hot as hell, by the way. I need to open the door. Problem is, there's other people in this house. I don't care about them, but it's hot. By the way, new video coming today, or in 12 hours. So be prepared for that. That's gonna be fucking awesome. Alright, I guess this is just a unit test, I guess. Hopefully. I don't really have a way to take notes. I don't know how to do this exactly. Let me figure this out. Oh, before I get to this, I was just watching on my racism app Instagram Reels, and I actually found this. It's actually pretty cool. An entire linear algebra formula sheet, and even Calc 1 to 3, which is actually fucking awesome. I don't have to take notes. I'll need this when I need this, but not now. Which is actually fucking awesome. Love that. But we'll use that for another stream. Maybe by number 5 or 6 or 7. Alright, let me figure this out. Maybe I should just get paint.net and then just get a corner. Fuck, not that one. Why am I on the bottom one? Why is it on the bottom? What the fuck? What is happening? I have two window captures on top of each other, and then it's clicking the bottom one. Why? Why are you getting the bottom one? So fucking annoying, bro. Why? Get this one! My fucking god, bruh. I didn't lock it. Oh my god. There we go. God damn. Okay. Alright. I guess like that. Okay, I guess that should work. What is this Diddy blood? Okay, bro. What are you gonna draw? Maybe this is for note taking. You never know. Alright. The thing though I don't like about Khan Academy, it does questions like this. Like it just makes me look at a table and then just say the value and I can just look at it. Like it's so weird, bro. Alright. What is f of minus 1? F minus 1 of 93. So if it's f of 93, so you have your x and f of x, right? But if it's minus 1, then you do the inverse. So 93 should be on the bottom side, not the top on the x. Because 93, because you know, if you have x and f of x is y. But if it's f minus 1, this is going to be the y value, and then this one should be the x value, like up here. So, or something like that. I fucking cannot explain it. I guess f of minus 1, 93 should be down here, and then the top value should be byte of 87. Please tell me I'm right. Alright, bet. I'm too stupid for this. Me too. If you like, I only know all this because of the last two study streams, which you guys should watch. Not really. Don't watch them. They're really boring. Let's see. So we need g of f of minus 1. So the first step is to get f of minus 1. So down here, minus 1, you know, it's the x value, you get negative 6, and then you have to get g of negative 6. I think you can see my cursor. Can you see my cursor? Okay, you can. Minus 10. Alright. GMF invertible domains of x is greater than 0. Alright, these two. Write a simplified expression for g of h of x in terms of x. Alright. They're not inverses though. You can see because this one's x squared and this one's not x squared. Or they're the same. It should be like square root of x or something like that. Or x minus 2 or something. Alright, what is h of x? Oh, we need g of h of x. So, let me screenshot that. I think I can actually use this. I don't know if you guys can see it though. Let me check in chat. Oh yeah, awesome, you guys can see it. Alright, we need g of h of x, so we need g of... Fuck, I cannot type with my... Too small. Alright, we need g of x squared plus 8, something like that. That is x squared plus 8 squared minus 8. Do your FOIL or your distribution here. I forgot what there's an acronym for doing this. 4 plus. Okay, if you want to square a binomial, chat, just, you know, if you don't know, first term should be just x squared and just raise it to this value. Second term should be multiply 8 and x squared, but double it. So that's 16 x squared, and then last should just be square the last value. Minus 8. That's 56. And as you can see, this value is not the same as this value, so they're not. Wow. Motherfucker really said FOIL. I know, right? So that should be x4 plus... Funny how the meme reset? What? What are we talking about? Alright, easy peasy. Wang Shu Ying is gift wrapping cube-shaped boxes for her class fundraiser. She has modeled the following relationships. Oh no, oh no. Alright. Okay. Cube-shaped boxes. You have the side length of the box, the surface area of the box. A? What? Oh, wait, this is the input-output. Alright, bet. Alright, so you get M, which is the side length, and you get the surface area of that. Surface area of the box, and then you get the amount of wrapping paper needed. And then you get another surface area of the box, and then the length of the ribbon. Okay. Which two of the following composed functions make sense? Oh, fuck. Alright, what should be inside? I think side length of the box should be at the bottom, at the inside, because that's the first thing you need, right? And then after that, S of M is the surface area. Then you're going to need the wrapping paper needed, and then you also need the amount of ribbon needed. The answer is E. True. I don't like this kind of question, bro. What is this? I don't like these kind of questions. Why do you have to just drag and drop, bro? I'm not 5 years old. I'm actually just way too old. Oh, fuck. So we need G of H of -2. Alright, let me clear everything. I'm sure you guys can see. Alright. We need... What do you need again? We need G of H of -2. So we need H -2. So replace X with -2. So 1/2 -2. Right? Alright, and this is basically if you're going to do a fraction, which is a negative exponent, we flip the fraction and then make the exponent positive. So that's 4. And we need G of that. So we need G of input 4 here. So we need this one replace this one with 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 20 minus 12, which is minus 32. Easy. Hello, whirow. "19 years old, shouldn't you have kids by now?" Oh, what the hell are you talking about? I don't even think I'm gonna get kids anyway. Let's not look too far into the future. Invertible function. Probably from, yeah, probably these two. What I learned is that you can't make it invertible if the same y value is reached twice, because you're switching x and y. We need G of H of X. Alright, chat. Alright, I got you. What is S? Alright, S. We need G of H of X. So... Oh wait, we don't have a value. We just need G of H of X. So G of 3 over 2x plus 8. Just replace that on this one, which is going to be 15 minus 4 hairball. All of this, x plus 8. So just multiply 4, and you can just cancel these ones because this one's 2. Drop this down, so 15 minus 2 times 3, 6 x. But also multiply the 4 here, so plus 32. And then add these together, so 15 plus 32, which is 47? I think W stream. Bro, why are you doing a 10th grade question? Because I want to make sure that I know everything. Like the one thing I don't like doing is rushing. Also, I'm fucking wrong. What did I do wrong? Shit. What did I do? Let me figure this out. G of h of x, alright. Which is 15 minus 4 times this entire thing. Oh my god, this one has to be negative. Whoops. It's 15 minus 32. Whoopsie daisy. Alright. Fuck. What am I doing? Close this. Whatever that is. Answer 2 questions about the... Complete the table for S of t of x. Jesus Christ. So we need t of x, the t of 44. 44, you have minus 10. And then here, minus 10, 44. And then you have to do that for 70. So 72 to 70. Yes. Alright, last one. The function r of h equals root 13h. Oh, this. Okay, this entire function gives a distance in kilometers that Skylar can see when their eyes are h meters above the ground. Okay, so, okay. The function pi d squared gives the area in square kilometers that Skylar can guard when they see a distance of d kilometers. Which expression models the area Skylar can guard when their eyes are h meters above the... So yeah, you just have to put the two together. So it's just going to be a of this entire thing. So instead of d, it's going to be this thing squared. I think it's just be pi 13h. Yeah. Am I wrong? Alright, bro. Thank you, freaks, for the 79 pence! Why did I go down? Oh, hell nah. No, I'm perfect. What are you talking about? Alright. I think, guys, I already did this. I did this off stream on another account. But I'll just do it. I'll just do it anyway. I did learn this. I barely understand this because I'm not English. What do you mean you're not English? My entire channel's... Okay, whatever. We're getting into the trig. The trig is the worst part of pre-calc. I cannot lie, I fucking hate trig. There's a lot to learn about it. Alright. What is the exact value of tan pi over 4? So you know there's a thing with your right hand. Let me search it up. I think I showed this already. Right hard. Yeah, there we go. I think I showed this like in the stream earlier, in the stream before this. In the last stream, there we go. God, I cannot speak English today. I basically learned this, and I spent the time off stream to remember that. So sine is below, cosine is above, and then tan is just sine over cosine. Where's Charlie Kirk music? Do you guys want Charlie Kirk music? I actually found the craziest Charlie Kirk remix. I found like the greatest Charlie Kirk remix you'll ever hear in your goddamn life. I might be lying. Alright, bet. Let me just let you listen. It's on SoundCloud. Because I was just searching for Charlie Kirk remixes one day.
This is a Charlie banger.
This song is actually crazy. Just give a listen. It's crazy. Shaking. Just take a listen. This thing's crazy. You spoke the truth when the cost was high. It's easier to just take calculus and learn the prerequisites as you go. I guess, but I feel like I would miss something, Woo! Holy shit! Oh, this shit crazy! Oh, this shit crazy!
Charlie.
Okay. Alright. By the way, tan pi over 4. So just pi over 4 is 45 degrees. All you have to remember is just to translate radians into degrees. So pi over 4 is 45 degrees. And that's root 2 at the bottom over top. Thank you for the membership. I'm sure the music, has convinced you to do such a thing. Oh, this is crazy dubstep, bro. The Charlie Kirk dubstep remix. Sine 5 over 6, which is 30, so 1/2. Cosine 5 over 6, which is also 30 degrees, so 3 over 2. A husband, a father, his family, a home built on scripture. 4 over of point A. So this is pi over 4, so this is root 2. Root 2 over 2. There you go. See? Oh. I'm so good, bro. Woo! Oh my god, this shit is so good. Oh my god. I'm missing all. I had to take a listen. I already did this, but let's just do it. Let's just do everything, honestly, on stream. So this one is about reflecting it, and it just tells you how to do sine, cosine, tangent when it's negative and positive, depending on the graph here. So which of the following is equivalent to tan theta? So how you do this actually is, remember the tangent is sine over cosine.
Charlie.
And thank you for this remix. Fun fact, the person's account is literally named Charlie Kirk. Fuck, man, this shit is so good. You'll definitely see me make upload it on the second channel. This shit is crazy. And the best part is it's not AI made. It's not AI. It's a real person made this. I can't lie, bro. Alright, let me get some music. Let's just get some blocktails. I'm thinking of streaming it when Chapter 5 releases. That's like the only time I'm ever gonna play Roblox on camera. I've really wanted to avoid Roblox for like the past few months, especially on camera, because I don't want to associate myself with Roblox. I like it. I like playing it every once in a while, but I know that it's just a bad idea to just like make people think I'm a Roblox guy. All right, let's do this again. So tangent is oh god, voice crack in 2025. Um, Tangent is sine over cosine, and as you can see with this angle, it's where the x-axis is negative and the y-axis is also negative, right? And sine of an angle is also is talking about its y-axis, its y component. So if the angle is above the x-axis, the sine is going to be positive. If it's below, it's negative. Cosine talks about its x component. Sine talks about its y component. That's what I'm talking about. Or how do I say this? Sine of an angle talks about its vertical, and then cosine talks about its horizontal. So if it's at the bottom left here, sine is going to be negative, cosine's negative. Negative over negative is positive, right? And if you're looking at which is equivalent to tangent, you're looking for an angle which is on the top right, or the first quadrant here. Because it's also going to be positive over positive, which is also positive. So we pick an angle here that's going to be in that first quadrant on the top right. So sine theta, theta seems to be an angle which is a little over 180 degrees. So tangent pi over theta, or pi plus theta, pi is 180 degrees, by the way. So pi and then theta, so it'll end up in the first quadrant, so pick this one. Tangent negative theta, which is going to be second quadrant, so not that. Pi minus theta, so pi minus theta is going to be in the fourth quadrant, no. 2 pi plus theta, which is going to be a whole rotation plus theta, so that should work. There we go. I have no idea what you're talking about. Always remember 2 plus 2 equals 5. You know that tan is a period pi. Yeah. We're not talking about that right now. Opposite of sine. Alright. So we're looking at something that has the opposite. So anything that's going to be in the third or fourth quadrant. 2 plus 2 equals 3. Pi minus theta, so pi minus theta. No. 2 pi minus theta, so 2 pi minus theta. Okay, this one. 2 pi plus theta. No. Probably this one. Awesome. Should I go into the stream chat? Fucking hell. Opposite of cosine, so we need something that's gonna be in the second or third quadrant, so on the left side of the circle. Pi over 2 minus theta, so pi over 2, which is 90 degrees, minus, no. Pi plus theta, so pi plus theta, yes. 2 pi minus theta, no. So this one. Alright, we're getting it in our bag, bro. Opposite of tangent theta. So opposite is only going to be on the bottom left. Or bottom right, sorry. Tangent pi plus theta, so pi plus theta, yes. Pi minus theta, no. 2 pi minus theta, no. Pi over squared minus theta, so pi over squared minus theta, yes. Fuck, man, I could have gotten this perfect. What'd I get wrong? Hold on. Pi plus theta. Oh fuck, it's the opposite. I'm dumb. I picked the opposite ones. Can't read. Can't read. SMH. Which are the following? Evaluate to the nearest hundredth. Oh my god. Alright. So cosine pi plus theta. So theta is literally like 3/4 and a little bit. So pi plus theta. So we're gonna move this 180 degrees. So we're gonna make this line on the other side. What is the cosine? So what is the x value of that? It seems to be 0.83, negative 0.83. And then cosine 2 pi minus theta. So 2 pi minus theta is going to be on the top left. Seems to also be 0.83. Alright. Do I have to do this? Alright, let's do inverse trig. I think this one I haven't really done. So let me figure this out. Intro to arcsine and shit like that. Gooning civilization. This is gooning civilization.
Regionally, value is going to be equal.
I mean, I don't think there's really much to say. Arc any of these, it's literally just, you know, what angle, you know, given a sine value. I don't know. Just pick a random one. See, I got it right. Alright, whatever, I'll skip. Restricting domains of functions to make them invertible. What? Alright, inverse. Range of the inverse. So okay. So sine and tan can only be between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Negative 90 to 90. 0 to 180. Why though? Desmos, save me. Save me. Oh yeah, because it looks like that. Alright, bet. What? Oh my god. Alright, we are in radians. Arctan is between negative pi over 2. Let's get degrees. Let's make it easier to understand. Let's do the y-axis should be there we go. Alright. So what did it say? Like negative 90 or something like that? Damn, what? This one diverges. This is pretty interesting. What are the two jokes? And you know what is what I come after? Expect me to do more stream chats, to do more studying streams. It's kind of fun to do, honestly. Yeah, okay. But why is the tangent just going all the way to infinity? Look at this shit. Bro. It just goes on forever. Is there a 90 value? There's an asymptote? Yeah, I mean, you can see it. Okay, there's an asymptote over here. No, there's no asymptote because it reaches 1 here. Alright. Cool. Tangent, you know. But it doesn't include 90 degrees. But tangent over here shows 90 degrees. Desmond, what are you doing? Kirkified thumbnail. Bro doesn't know how the graph works. I mean, I can see. Look, arcsine and arctangent, or and arccosine. You know, they do their thing. Wait, let me look at this again. Arcsine is over here, which is between 90 and 90. Alright. Arccosine is it's 180 and 0. Oh fuck, I'm dumb. We're talking about the Y, not the X, dumbass. Alright, that's why. I was like so confused. Like, what the heck is this background? It's Blocktail's OST. It's awesome. For example, sine 0 should be sine pi over sine pi. Alright, so what should be sine negative 1, 0? Blah blah blah. I kind of don't want to do this. Okay, maybe let's go here. Solve triangle using the law of sines? Oh no. Oh wait. Oh no. Alright, let's figure this out. The law of sines. It's probably just like one formula that I have to remember for the life of me.
So this is going to equal a 105 degree angle right over here. 105 degree angle. And so applying the law of sines here, and actually let me label the different sides. Let's call this side right over here. Let's call this side right over here side
random triangle,
A, or has length A. And let's call this side right over here. Let's say this side right over here has length B. So the law of sines tells us that the ratio between the sine of an angle and the opposite side is going to be constant through this triangle. So it tells us that sine of this angle, sine of equal to, which is going to be equal at A, we could solve are from even 36.
Oh. So it tells us that the sine of an angle is equal to its opposing. So sine this over this is equal to sine this over sine this over that over sine this over that. Is that it? And then I guess we can solve for A or B.
Over 2, and we would get...
Alright. Alright, bet.
Say you're out, plus the information that you have be useful. And so what it's doing is then I could figure out this angle.
What the heck is that? Wait, hold on.
But that angle where I'm trying to figure out some lengths of sides or some lengths of angles.
What?
I immediately think, maybe the law of cosine might be useful, or the law of sines might be useful.
We're not in the law of cosines. It's okay. Proof of the law of sines. You know what? Let's get the proof. Proof's always useful.
Following
oh god, we're going to like 2003.
We know this angle. Well, actually, I'm not going to say what we know or don't know, but the law of sines is just a relationship between different angles and different sides. So let's relationship that connects A coming straight down, and it's going to be perpendicular to
let's
this.
Let's make a triangle.
Bottom side, which I haven't labeled, but you know, I'll probably, if I have to label it, label it C because that's A and B. And this is going to be a 90-degree angle.
All right.
Here, of beta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So it's equal to this opposite, which is x.
So sine B. Wait, what is B though? Oh, is this angle B right here? Yeah,
over the hypotenuse,
which is A.
which is a to x. Fair
Okay, so and then multiply both sides.
enough.
So x. Wait, what is x? X. Oh, this is a hypotenuse. It looks like a y. Okay, I'm sorry. This one, alright. You're looking for this. Yeah,
That got
alright,
us some triangle, because this is also a right triangle, of course. What deals x here relative right? That sine of alpha is equal to opposite over
That's an
hypotenuse.
alpha. Looks like a fucking D, bro.
Opposite
It's like a
sine
D.
of alpha is equal to x. So now what do we have? We have two different ways that we solved for this thing that I dropped down from this side, this x, right? We have a sine of beta is equal to x, and
Okay.
then b sine of
Yeah, because they're part of the same triangle, so of course it's going to have the same
alpha is
whatever.
beta is equal to, right? A sine of beta is equal to x, which is also equal to b sine of theta. Sine
What?
of beta
Sine beta.
over b is equal to
Okay, so you have a sine, okay, and then you divide both sides by a.
sine of beta is equal to sine, the ratio between the
Oh, and you just divide by either side. So sine this over this is equal to sine this. Okay, so okay. So the proof comes from the fact that you can just make an invisible line here and you just divide. Okay, it's not as hard as I thought it would be. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, bet. We can do this now. Because we're very educational now. You might need a calculator. Fuck. Oh, don't worry. You got Desmos. Linear algebra, we're not doing you just yet. Oh, hey. Yeah. Alright. What do I want to do? Find the measure of angle C. Note that the measure of angle C is acute. Oh, duh, you can see it right here. Alright, so find angle C. Okay, I'm sure I can do that. Alright, let's see how we use the law of sines to do that. So we have... We need to find this angle. So we need angle C. Alright, so we need sine. So we need C. So let's get C here. So sine C over 7 equals sine 68 over, what's the opposite? 18 equals what is it? What's this last one? 180 minus 68, which is 112? Yeah, 112. So sine whatever the hell this is, so I don't even know, 112 minus C? Maybe we don't need that. Maybe we don't need this one. Yeah, I don't think we need this one anyway. We just need this. So let's multiply both sides by 7. Okay. Let's get a calculator. Okay. So we need sine 68 divided by 18. I think, can you guys see? Oh, you guys can't. Okay, I'm going too much to the... There you go. Just make it even smaller, I'm not gonna lie. This is Newton. Alright, there we go. This Einstein. What is this Diddy Bub doing, bro? Why is he doing math in 2025, bro? Times 7. We're talking radians, by the way. I think. Oh wait, no, we're doing degrees. Sorry. So that is, this is equal to sine. So we just need arc sine of this. So get this entire thing, right? Sine C equals this entire thing. Alright, so we need arc sine of this entire thing. So arc sine of this entire thing. So this should be it. Right? Am I right? Please? Chat, we're very educational, bro. Let's go. My lunar crashed again. Find angle BC. No, find the length of angle of this side. All right. Okay, let me give you guys, while I'm solving this, let me give you guys a pretty cool thought piece or a question I had. It's why I have always, my friends have been asking me, they recommend me this cool game, but I when I play random Steam games, I just get, I don't really care that much about them, especially just playing alone. But if it's Roblox, then, I feel more interested. I was like, why do I do this? Roblox games are objectively worse. Like, they're objectively worse. What are you doing? Anyways, we need sine 24 equals over 5 equals... Oh, we need this angle also? Okay. Sine 130 over CA over equals this one. Sine... Oh, we can get the final value. We can get the final value. So 130, 24, so we need what is that? 154 minus 180, so what is that? 36? Right? 36 over BC. And we need BC. You guys can see. Kind of. You guys can kind of see. God, I have to extend this like the entire way. Alright. The reason why I have a bias to Roblox games is because I just have this thing where I just like stuff that kind of puts you in a community. I think that's the entire reason. It's just... Look at my dono. Thank you for the $2. I'm sorry. I don't know why. I don't get notifications about this stuff. Make a video about KFC's brain rot TikTok videos. Maybe. I'll think about it. I don't think I will because I usually make topics on bigger stuff, but we'll see. Alright, so we don't really need this one. We're not looking for it anyway. All we need is this. What the hell? I'm not printing. Alright, there you go. So all you have to do is put BC here. So what you can switch the two, right? So BC is equal to sine 36 over this entire thing. Sine 24 over 5. And this is double division. So you can put the 5 here. So you can do this. Sine 24. Multiply that to 5. So, and then you just search that up. So, there you go. Sine 36 over sine 24 times 5. 7.225. If I'm right, you guys gotta subscribe. Oh, nearest 10th. Never mind. I am embarrassed. What did I do wrong? Sine 36 over sine 24 times 5. We're looking for BC. 7.3. No. What did I do wrong? Wait, hold on. Let me check again. Find BC. So sine 24 over this value is equal to sine 36 because we found this angle. Don't tell me I got the angle wrong. That's really embarrassing if I get it wrong. Oh, I got the angle wrong, didn't I? Oh, I fucking got the angle wrong. I got the angle wrong. Oh god. Oh, fucking idiot. Ah! Dumbass. Still can't do your addition. That's embarrassing. Alright, I think you guys can see in the corner. Let's make it a little bigger. Alright. We need to find BC, so we need to find this length. So, sine... I actually did not learn this before because we just skipped straight to calculus. So this is like the cool thing, you know? You just get to learn about all this smaller stuff that you might need. Or may not need. I don't fucking know. Sine 44 over 18. That's all you really need, honestly. Once again, you just, you multiply both sides. So you do BC equals sine. I'm doing this with the mouse, by the way. I'm trying my best. Over 18. No, not there, dummy. BC, move this over here. BC times sine 44 over 18 equals sine 53. There you go. Eighth grade? What do you mean 8th grade? Upload your new video quickly. I'm not done yet. By the way, I should have just cross multiplied. I feel like cross multiplication would be an easier way to do this. There you go. See, BC times this, and then you just do this. There you go. Cross multiplication is the way. There you go. So you just do 18 times sine 53. And there you go. That's your answer. If I get this right, you should subscribe. See? What did I say? Note that MC is obtuse, so angle C is obtuse. Round to the nearest degree. Okay, so we just have to get this and then find MC, or angle C. Alright. Looking for this angle. So, sine C over 37. That's not a 7. Equals sine 30, which is 1/2. 30 Degrees, by the way. We're not talking about radians. 19. This is 1/2 over 19. So, you know. 1/2 divided by 19. What is that? (19) sine C equals 37 times 1/2. Okay, let's just say 37 over 2. Like, when I got into calculus like a while back, I think the thing I did more, I always used fractions instead of decimals. I don't know why the people around me in my school, they hated fractions a lot. I don't know why. Fractions are like better than decimals. I don't know what people are doing. It's fucking stupid. Use radians. These questions are in degrees, so you can't do anything about it. I'm getting impatient because I'm not seeing 6, 7. Sine C equals divided by 19. 37 divided by 2 divided by 19. Which is just 37 times 19 over 2. Alright. So 37. Fuck, I keep pressing the wrong button. 37 times 19 over 2. And that's sine C. So arc sine of this entire thing. Motherfuck. Time. Whoops! My brain's not braining right now. It's almost December, I can finally watch. What? Brother, what? I'm looking at chat, by the way. 37 over 38. Yeah. Mean by break. Okay. I think I was doing 37 divided by 2 divided by 19. Wait, I need to confirm something. See? What did I do? Oh wait, I'm stupid. Maybe I have to do this. There we go. Okay. I think this is why I got the question wrong earlier, because I was doing like this. I was doing that. There we go. Alright. That's why. Don't gotta make fun of me now. Wait, obtuse. Oh. It's above 90. Where do we want max line from? No, stop messaging. I'm not doing that. How are you a year like Mr. Ermot Sigma 67? How the fuck are you a year late to the Max Design Pro trend? How are you that late, bro? Also, it says obtuse, which is above 90 degrees. So, do I just add 90 to this? 167? I don't know. No. I got 77. What? That's still a cute. Wait, let me figure this out. We got sine c equals 37 over 38. So I would just get arc sine 37 over 38, which is what I did right here. Um, 180 minus 30 minus 30. So the rest is going to be 150. But I have 77, which is wrong, obviously. Wait, what? This is why we're doing this study streams, because we can be dumbasses together. What did I do wrong? Let me figure this out. What did I do wrong though? Let me redo this. So obviously we have a sine c, which is supposed to be above 90 degrees. Over 37 is equal to sine 30 over 19. Cross multiply, we got 19 sine c equals 37 sine 30. Okay, sine 30 is 1/2. And then you just divide both sides by 19. So you got sine c is equal to 37 times 1/2, which is going to be 18.5. Alright. And then 19. Which is the same thing as 37 over 38. I mean, it's literally the same thing. So I'll just, do this again. And you get the arc sine. Oh, wait. Maybe... this is one angle, though. We learned 9th grade. Well, I don't know then. Let's say it's 77. 77 plus 30. 107. Maybe it's 107. Maybe that's the answer. No? Fucking idiot. Why am I stuck in this? Maybe I should just show a step. Let me see what I get. Law of sines, which is what I did. That's alright. Next. Okay. No, I don't need a calculator. We know it's obtuse. Angle C is opposite side, which measures 37. We can substitute. However, as long as the measure of angle C isn't exactly, there will be two possible solutions. Oh, two. These inverse sine function the inverse sine gives an accurate solution, while the obtuse will be its supplementary angle. Okay. Let's see what they did. So sine of this angle, which is what he did, over 37 is equal to sine 30 over 19. Solve that. Angle C is 77. So we get a supplementary angle. Okay, I guess. Okay. Very simple solution. That's the thing about math. That's the entire thing about math. I think that's what makes math interesting or funny compared to other subjects. If you're wrong, you feel like a fucking idiot. But if you get it right, you feel like a freaking genius. Alright. How long have I been streaming? An hour? Alright, let's go for another hour. We can do one more hour. All right. So if we know it's obtuse, then get the supplementary angle. See, I don't know the supplement. I didn't think about getting a supplementary. That's why we like backtrack. You know, I would probably do the same thing in calculus. Do a very simple. There's a very simple step that I wouldn't have known. All right. So that's the law of sines, which is cool. Now let's do the law of cosines. All right. Let's just watch a video of the law of cosines.
Let's say that I've got a triangle, and this side has length
your
b,
mama.
which is equal to 12 units, or whatever units of measurement we're using. Let's say that this side right over here.
Where if you get more than 8% of the answers right, I might give some subs. Hey, let's
side
go.
Right over here has length c.
I like
and
that.
happens to be equal to 9, and that we want to figure out the length. We want to figure out the length of this side, and this side has length a, so we need to figure out what a is going to be equal to. Now we won't be able to figure this out unless we also know the angle here, because these things could be.
Oh my fucking god! I got a message. Hold on. I need to do something. I'll be back. Let me put some good music though in the background. I'll be back give me like a few minutes, because I forgot I had to do something.
This is a Charlie Banger.
Why is it, I have to move this here, bro. Why is it over there? I forgot. I'm not streaming on Twitch. Maybe the next stream I'll only stream on Twitch. There's gonna be less viewers though. I'll figure it out.
He lived for Jesus, unafraid to die. We are
Charlie.
woke coward took a life with a gun. He left behind a wife and a daughter and a son. All he did was try to speak for all of us. And I'm so tired of the hatred and the narratives. The patriots ain't dangerous, woke people are the terrorists. They shot and killed the fathers, sent the message to Americans. They ain't gonna stop until they bury us. Dear Charlie.
a husband, a father, his family held near, a home built on scripture, on faith without fear. The world tried to silence, but his voice remains. Innocent echoes in Christ it sustains. We are Charlie Brown, we carry the flame. We'll fight for the Guinness World with his name. We are Charlie Kirk, his courage all
This is a Charlie banger.
You stood unshaken, a voice in the storm, a man of conviction, a heart reborn. You spoke the truth when the cost was high. He lived for Jesus, unafraid to die. We are charged.
Charlie.
Shot down and he was barely 31. Another woke coward took a life with a gun. He left behind a wife and a daughter and a son. All he did was try
I'm
to
back.
speak for all of us. And I'm so tired of the hatred and the narratives. The patriots ain't dangerous. Woke people are the terrorists. They shot and killed the father, sent the message to Americans. They ain't gonna stop until they bury us.
Alright, bet. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back from doing whatever. Alright. Damn, with a 10 gifted? When I was not even here, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. Alright, let's get back. We go back! So let's say...
What A is going to be equal to. Now we
We
won't
lost
be able
10
to figure
viewers.
this out
I really don't care.
unless we also know the angle here, because these things could be, you could bring the side, this,
Alright,
the blue
So
side
we
of
have
the
a
green
triangle with ABC,
side close together, and then A would be
AB,
small, but if
AB,
this angle was
ABD.
larger, then A would be larger. So we need to know what this angle is
ABGs.
as well. So let's say that we know that this angle, which we will call theta, is equal to 87 degrees.
Could've
So
said
how can
6,
we
7,
figure
but
out
okay.
A? And I encourage you to pause this and try this on your own. Well, lucky for us, we have the law of cosines, which
6,
gives
9
us a way
lengths.
for determining a third side if we know two of the sides and the angle between them. The law of cosines tells us that a squared is going to be equal to
So if we have
b squared.
Okay, so if we have two sides in an angle, but we're gonna look at the opposite side, because obviously we can't do law of sines. When wait, let me see. When can we use the law of sines? You can use the law of sines when you know at least one angle and its opposite side, along with either another angle or another side. So if you have two angles and one side, or two sides and an angle. Alright, bet. Alright. Rose from Cambodia. No, I'm not. Hold on. Alright, I had to check something. Damn, bro. The dono with the dono, bro. W dono. W dono. I think I spent the last week trying to research what the hell that currency is, though. My first guess was Argentinian. I don't even know. I don't think I'm right though. I'm gonna starve, bro. The sim. Hey, maybe you know, as much as you know e-girls and shit like that, they're hated. Hey, you gotta respect the bag, bro. You gotta respect the bag.
squared.
Wait, but okay, so why would you use the law of cosines if you can use a law of sines? Because you have two sides and an angle. I don't know, but you know, maybe in some circumstance. Oh, angle, side. Yeah. So two angles and one side, or two sides and an angle. Jesus Christ. Okay, bro. All right, you motherfucker when you send 50 subs and then there's not even 50 viewers because it's not a stream that's meant to have viewers. Jesus Christ. Wait. Now Jesus Christ, thanks for the 50 subs. 50 subs as if it's Twitch. What's gonna happen now? Wait, now I'm kind of concerned. Like, it's kind of like that thing where you donate a lot, but now I have to be concerned. Like, is this free will? Are you doing under your own free will? I appreciate it tons. Jesus Christ. Well, free subs for everyone. Corrupt politician. Man, y'all mean for that. Well, we're gonna have a long members list. A really, really long members list. Jesus Christ. I'm doing it in order for you to play Roblox with me. Jesus Christ, man. I don't even... I just said like 20 minutes ago I don't want to do Roblox. I guess I don't have a choice now? Maybe I'll do a stream. I'll do like a stream like... Let me search this shit up. Bro, this guy really wants to play two-player Princess Tycoon. Jesus Christ. There was like 100% chance, 170% chance I didn't get one. Putin Gamer 39? How did you not get a membership? The dude gifted 50 and there's only 30 viewers. How did you not get one? Jesus Christ. Alright, I guess I got bribed to play Roblox. Alright, bet. What games though? Alright, chill with the money, bro. Like, I'm not like broke. Like I very much appreciate the donos, but like, you know, I don't like, I'm not desperate, you know? Alright, bet. What game though? How did there's like 10 there's like 5 of you who didn't even get a membership, bro. Y'all are crazy.
Plus c squared. Now, if we were dealing with a
A squared plus B
pure
squared.
right triangle, if this was 90 degrees, then A would be the hypotenuse and we would be done. This would be the Pythagorean theorem. But the law of cosine...
Oh, law of cosine is if, you know, it's not 90 degrees. Alright? Don't worry, take care. Wait. Chill. You don't have to do this. This is under your own free will. I'm not responsible for any parents lost. Jesus fucking Christ. This is gonna be a long time. Jesus Christ. Where did you get all the money from? You know, I'm just trying to study some
gives us
math
an adjustment to the Pythagorean theorem so that we can do this for
What the
any
fuck?
arbitrary angle. So the law of cosines tells us it's going to be a squared is going to be b squared plus c squared.
Alright, Ben, just tell me what Roblox game you want. Please don't be like a super fucking shitty ass game, man.
Minus 2 times bc. 2 times b
Minus 2 BC.
times
Where's
the
the cosine?
cosine times the cosine of theta times the cosine of theta. And this
Oh.
theta is the angle that opens up to the side that we care about. So
Alright, alright. So if you have a theta and the opposite of theta is going to be a squared, you know, like this. So you can get a squared. A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared, right? But remember, it's a little short. It's not, 90 degrees. So you have to minus it, you know, probably minus it a little bit if it's under 90 and add a little bit. I'm gonna guess because cosine is gonna be a little bigger, something like that. So minus 2 BC cosine theta. All right. Am I muted? No, you're not muted. Jesus Christ. Look at all the memberships. And I bet there's gonna be some of you who don't even have a membership yet. A guy is the son of a corrupt politician. Wait. I don't want corrupt politician money. Hold on. Imagine. You get corrupt politician money. If it actually is a corrupt politician's money, I'll donate it. Don't worry. Don't worry, chat. It's still gonna be like 1 out of 10 of chat. True. Alright, Vitalino. I don't know if you're gonna refund or just like, Hey, I'm not even gonna complain, bro. There's some things where even I would be concerned. Clean the money. Corrupt money. Chat, if that person's actually from a corrupt politician, I'll definitely donate it. I'll donate to Angkas. Wait, no, Angkas, what the fuck am I saying? Motherfucker just said Angkas. I said Angas. Angat. There you go. Why did I say Angkas? What am I saying? Add me, Vitalino. This guy really wants to play Roblox with me. Man, I'm not even in my Roblox era anymore. Chat, you guys should unsubscribe if I actually make a Roblox video. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, fine. I have no choice. You gotta take the bribe, guys. Y'all gotta take the bribe. I'm taking the bribe. Should I give more? It's up to you, bro. I ain't saying nothing because it benefits me.
So we can use theta because we're looking for A. If they gave us another angle right over here, that's not the angle that
I was generally giving a membership. I don't know, bro.
we would use. We
Love
care
the videos,
about the
thank
angle
you.
that opens
New
up
video
into the
coming later,
side
chat.
that we are going
100
to
gifts and
solve
stuff is
for.
fucking crazy.
So
How
now
much
let's
money
solve
is
for
that?
A because we know what BC and
Alright, so b squared plus b squared Pythagorean minus bc cosine theta.
theta actually are. So A squared is going to be equal to B squared. So it's going to be equal to 144 plus C squared, which is 81.
Alright.
So plus 81 minus
Minus
2 times 9. So this is
DC.
going to
And
minus.
just input
let's
just
of all which we
formula.
did in minus
Just formula.
B6.
Formula.
So
Yeah.
A,
Alright. Solving an angle for the law of cosine.
let's say you're studying some type of surface or squared.
Isn't that just
You
the
can see
same
law of
formula anyway?
cosines.
Yeah. C squared, this one is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times these other two angles, cosine theta. Wait, AB? Wait, what's the other one? Wasn't
So
it
A
BC?
squared.
Oh, alright. It's just like these two are the two sides that are not the angle. Just input. Alright, bet. Alright, bet. Whirow existing is already special enough. Gotta go. See ya. See ya, bro. All right, bet. Let us do the quiz. Let us do the quiz, chat. So I'll try to memorize it. You definitely don't want to memorize everything in math, right? You don't want to memorize just like all your lessons, but there are certain things that you definitely should memorize to make it easier. But there's a lot of other stuff that you should definitely just try to understand yourself, so you don't have to memorize shit. Especially, for example, stuff you have to memorize: multiplication table, exponents, the square hole, something like that. But those are just like the framework. The rest, just know how to do it yourself, just like that. Bro, we can do one with an Arsenal. I bet. I haven't played Arsenal since like 2020 though. Y'all, bro, the Arsenal in 2020 was fucking crazy though. Y'all don't know, bro. Arsenal in 2020 was something different. All right, I can do epic mini games, super bomb. Oh, hey, those are fire games though. Hey, those are good choices. All right, bet. So you got ace. Let's say this is the side. So 6 squared equals. Wait, where's the music? There we go. 6 squared is equal to 12 squared plus 14 squared. But you have to do minus 12 times 14 times cosine A. Like that. So 12 times 14, I actually don't know. I think it's 168. I think. Yeah, 168. Okay. Oh, this is 196, by the way. This is 144. This is 36. See, stuff like that. You memorize this, makes life a lot easier. But the rest, like, you should just know it yourself. Cosine A. Alright. So... it's not illegal, I got it doing YouTube. Alright. Just have to make sure, what is 144 plus 196 though? 144 plus 196, which is 340 minus. Alright, no, not yet. So 340 minus 168 cosine A. All that for pre-calc, I know, right? 100 gifted sub, bro. That's fucking mad. I don't even think 100 people got it. Equals 36. Minus 340 on both sides, so 36 minus 340, which is 304 minus. So minus 304 equals minus 168. So just, okay, you could just divide both sides. So 304 divided by 168. Okay, so 304 divided by 168 equal to cosine A. So you just do arc cosine. And I got it wrong. Okay! God, bro. What did I get? How could I have possibly gotten this one wrong? I did everything right. Add these two, minus both sides, divide both by negative 168. Just simplify it. Maybe I should just minus, minus 168. Maybe this will be it. Just to remove 1. Oh, but I don't know. Bowser fart gif. Lock in and unmute. I'm on. Stop saying I'm muted, bro. I know I'm not. On God. Don't try to rage bait me like that. Please tell me this is right. Oh, God. Oh. Are you gonna do Twitch streams? Oh, I should do stream. All right. The next study stream will only be on Twitch. I said it. I don't. The thing is, I don't know how to set up like subs and all that on Twitch. So I don't know. How did I get this wrong? All right, let's just figure it out. So yeah, A6. Isolate. Alright. And then you just plug it in. What? How did I get it wrong? How did I get 168? Oh my god, it's because it's times 2. Oh my god, it's times 2. Fuck. Oh, that's embarrassing. I forgot there was a times 2 there. It was like this. Okay, that's it. All right, bro. That's all right. All right, that's embarrassing. Where can I be mod? There's like barely anyone in the chat anyway. You know, it'd be funny if you were. It'd be funny though. But do I really want to get bribed to make someone a mod? I'll do it if... I'm not gonna say it. So, motherfucker really said yes. Find AB. Alright. Very never done anything wrong. I know a few people have done wrong. Find AB. Alright. So we have AB. So let's say, okay. So AB squared is equal to 5 squared, which is 25, plus 16, which is 256. Times 2. Wait, let me get that right. Law of cosines. Law of cosines. What's the formula again? Alright, so it's a minus. Alright. So it's not times 2. It's minus 2AB, which is 16 times 5, which is 80. So 80 cosine this angle. 6-1. 6-1. 6-1. Wherever you don't make me, I'm gonna kill myself. Fine. Alright, bet. You know what? It'd be funny anyway. Wait, how do I make someone mod on my phone? I actually don't know how to do it. Let me search. Let me check it out. Let me check my desktop. It'd be funny though. I'm doing it because it's funny. There you go. It'd be funny. It'd be funny though. It'd be funny. Corruption, baby. Let me check something. Hold on. Earn. Wow, and it really can't buy you anything. True. No wonder politicians are so corrupt. Hey, you got a point. I'm being a corrupt politician right now. Don't we love this fucking country, guys? W stream. Am I allowed to join the members Discord? Everyone who's a member can join. Everyone, if you're a member, doesn't matter who you are, join the server, put in your name, and there you go. You're in. Alright, let's go back to this. 25 plus 256, which is 207, 281, 281 minus 2 times 80, so that's 160 times cos 61. And then you have to get a square root, by the way. So AB equal to this one. This entire thing is gonna be square rooted, like that. But let's do that later. So 160 cos 61, which is that value. 281 minus. Fuck. And then this one, square root that. And this should be the value. How the fuck am I wrong? Everyone I know from the Philippines, trans or femboy. How am I wrong? What did I do this time? How? Bro, I'm doing everything right. On God, bro. I'm doing everything right. I mean, okay, I am in degrees. All right, you know, I'll put an invite for the server. Hold on, while I'm coping. Gonna keep the member server. There you go. What am I doing wrong though? I'm so confused. What am I doing wrong? Let's try again. 14.3? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, because I didn't round it up. Okay, that's embarrassing. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Green taken. Okay, bro. All right, bro. I gotta get one of these right. Round to the nearest degree. All right. Listen to the fucking instructions, dumbass. All right. So, Wait, we don't have to. Let's just search for angle B. All right, angle B. All right, so 13 squared, so 169 equal funny number is equal to 6 squared, 36 plus 15 squared minus 2 times 15 times 6, which is 150, times cosine that value. All right, this is the value we're looking for. Well, I think what we can do is add this on both sides, like this, plus this entire thing, right? This is 300. 300 cos of a value minus this, so minus 169. And then divide both sides by 300. Alright, where is x? The answer is... What? Wait, what? What number is this? No, let me see. 72.1. What the hell? Alright, let's just say 72 degrees. Oh my. Why are you so mean to me? We're not listening to chat? Because I'm studying. This is the entire point. Oh my fuck! My mental math is so ass, bro. Let me go back. Oh wait, no. There we go. It was 15 times 6. 15 times 6. It's 90, right? It's 90. Why am I not getting this right, bro? Oh my god. If the membership expires, do we get kicked? No. Not yet. I might have a system where I will kick, but as of now, no. You don't get kicked. Just don't be weird in the server. Alright, anyway, this is 180 minus 169. This is cos x. Divide everything by 180. And we have... Why can't I see the value, by the way? Anyways, we have 59. If this is... Fucking god. Oh my god, bro! I'm always getting something. Alright, find BC. Find BC. BC. Alright, so BC squared, so like... Alright. X squared is equal to... Okay, 7 squared, which is 63. No, 49. Plus 9 squared, which is 81. 81 minus 2 times 7 times 9, 63. 63 times cosine 60. Cosine 60, by the way, chat, it's 1/2. So, you know what, let's just write cosine 60. It's 1/2 anyway, so yeah, you know. The answer. What the fuck? Why are the x and y values the exact same? What? Wrong problem. The nearest 10th. 8.2. This should be right. Oh, I have one right. And it's all because I get something wrong in the question. That's embarrassing. That is utterly embarrassing. All right, BC. Let's try it again. We gotta. If we get this one right, then I'll move on. Find BC. So x squared is equal to 6 squared, which is 36. 13 squared, which is 169. Minus 2 times 6 times 13, which is... Fuck. What is 6 times 13? 82? 83? 88? Or 78? 78. 6 times 13 is 78. I think. 60. 8, 16, 24. No. No. 6 of 18. Yeah, 78. I'm having a brain fart every time I do this. 9-1. 9-1. 14.41. Woo! World Protector. What? Bro said what? Alright. How long have I been streaming? 1 hour 48. Alright. I think this is actually a good way to end it off. So we learned about law of sine, law of cosine. Hey, that's pretty good progress for one day. And we can just, sinusoidal equations, whatever the hell that is, and complex numbers. Yeah. Alright, I think it's a good stream. We didn't play Roblox. Oh, I thought we were gonna do it off stream. You want us to play on stream? Alright, bet. Damn, bro. You didn't have to donate. I see your messages, guys. Alright, bet. I honestly thought you wanted to play off stream, but okay, we can do that. We can do on stream, don't worry. Join my Arsenal VIP. Alright. Today we're gonna play Arsenal. I guess we're not studying anymore. Well, we finished. This is our reward for studying. Alright. Welcome to Arsenal. Guys, I haven't played this game in like 5 years, bro. I've literally haven't played this game in so damn long. So please apologize. Please note that, I'm not being bad on purpose. You can see my level. I'm at level 128. That's, the grind is real. Let me change my this one. This one. Damn, it's been a hot minute. You guys can't see it because it's awesome. There we go. All right. Yeah. Sorry if it was white. You guys, OBS has a weird thing when it does Roblox like that. So yeah, it does that. All right. Here we are in Roblox Arsenal. I don't know what to do. What is UGC emotes? Oh, you have emotes in friggin' Arsenal itself. Fucking hell, this game is 10 years old. What the hell? Hello, wait, let me check my volume. Hello? Hello? Alright.
You better make this round count or I'll be really sad.
Epic Rika, my goat! What the heck is this? What? Hello? What is this giant thing on my screen? Why is it so freaking huge? What is that? I can't see! Wait, let me check my... Okay, there we go. What the hell? Switch your gun and it fixes. Alright, bet. Yeah, y'all can't see me. Y'all can see me. Yeah, fuck here. Come here. Okay, bro. I'm gonna get cooked. Oh no. Alright.
Oh, and just like that, they're headless. Fantastic.
I wish... Can Epic Rika come back, please? I miss him. Where is he? Ah! Ooh! Ooh! This is gonna be a rough life for me. Whoa! Hold your horses. Oh! Yeah, I see you. I see you. I'm right behind you. Man, I have the freaking headshot with this thing. I think it's 3. Oh, I can go with the sword with the 3. Bro, I'm not gonna win with this freaking dumbass sniper. Oh no. This is gonna be a rough life. Alright, let's see what I can do. This is gonna be hard. No, I'm gonna be in hell with this sniper, bro. Damn, I missed. Let's see. No longer studying. We're now playing this game. God, it's gonna be a rough life for me. I hate this sniper. It's an op, right? At least it does damage. Fuck. We're gonna be here a while. Bro, I was out for like half a second. Oh no. God forbid my chud life. Thank you.
That guy had a love
Why
and
this gun is not,
you
not
destroyed
this
him
gun is
anyway.
not much better.
Nice.
Thank you for escaping. Letting me escape from this gun. Alright, now we're on. Alright. There you are.
That was brutal, but they deserved it. Good work.
Watch me, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Damn, bro. How did I miss him? Alright, let's go. We ain't winning, we ain't winning with these boys. Oh, I missed. We can inspect with F? Why? Bro. Wait, let me heal for a moment. Woo! It's a parade inside my city, eh? Alright. What the heck is this? What is this gun?
Of all the ways you could have died, that one was the worst.
What is that gun? Why is my crosshair blue? It's like blending in with the sky. I have an idea. Watch this, chat. Fuck. Oh, you can do. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, he has a gun. He has a knife. Alright.
Ouch, that must have been satisfying.
Got his ass. 750 damage is crazy, though. Wait, hold on, let me check my chat. Proceeds to die like an unk. Unk can. I haven't played this game in 5 years. Hold on. My apologies. Oh my god! Woo! Got your ass. Whoa, he's over there! Oh wait, what? This will be a while. This rifle is so ass. What the heck is this? I'm still gonna win, chat. Don't worry. Like, y'all got me, right? Damn, you can fly with that giant thing. Ah! Oh no. Ah, it doesn't even do damage. Fuck, man. No, I don't have a better weapon. I'm not gonna lie, this weapon's not much better.
Oh, come on. You'll pay for that. I just don't know how yet.
Bro, I hit you! Alright. We're still winning, chat. Like, you know, we're not that far off. I think we could do it in like a few minutes. Is Unk sell is Unk Okay, bro. We got it, chat. It's in the bag.
Oh, come on. You'll pay for that. I just don't know how yet.
Oh my fucking god, bruh. Why? This thing doesn't even do damage. You suck. It's been 5 years. I don't play this game. Why does this game has such trash guns, bro? What is this? Oh, I'm out! I'm out! Yes! I don't have this gun anymore! Alright, chat. Watch this.
Ooh, and just like that, they're headless. Fantastic.
How the heck is he getting me, bro? My weapon is like 100 times better.
Ooh,
There
and
we
just
go.
like that, they're headless. Fantastic.
How did I miss? That was embarrassing. I'm sorry. You know what? Fuck you, I'm not sorry.
Ouch, that must have been satisfying.
Where you are muted? I'm not muted. What are you talking about? I have something for you. Oh, really? Please check out where for more cool. What? Okay, what do you want? Aw, wow, what a cool gift. Taunt to accept? Wow, what a nice gift. What is it though? Oh no. Hey, come back. Sure. Come here. Why don't I don't have any music though? I don't know why. Come here. I'm gonna be like Dream now. No, remember Dream in 2023? That shit was crazy. Look behind, you're not there. There you are. All right. Where are you? Where are you? Chad, he's not beating me. Like, he's only like 3 behind. Like, stop saying I'm muted. Thank you.
Ouch, that must have been satisfying.
Whoa, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Yeah, let's go. I'm flying. Oh, I'm not flying. He's beating you by 10 points. No, I can do this. I can do this, chat. Don't worry, chat. I got this. Like, he's like 3 behind. Bro, we can't. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna win. I'm surprised I even missed that many times. What? Oh, he's got from the other side. Oh shit. Oh no. I don't like what I see. I am going away.
Pathetic. How could you do this to yourself?
I think I was only like 3 behind. Motherfucker has 300,000 kills. GG. 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 Yo, look at this. I actually have this knife. Punk ain't winning. Y'all gotta believe in me, bruh. Y'all gotta believe in me. What are you talking about? Turn off your view bobbing. Wait, hold on. How? I was top in Argentina. Would you like to add me? Sure, sure. Money buys everything. Money buys happiness. Bro is top 3 in Argentina, bro. Alright. You will be when you wear glasses because that aim was atrocious. Jesus Christ. So we're actually this dude's actually just like a really good Arsenal person. You know what? Congrats, bro. Congrats on being that good, man. All power to you. And thank you guys, thank you chat for a good stream. Study stream every day at 2 p.m. EST. Probably like an hour and a half of studying each day. You know how it is. I'll probably like do math for the rest of the week, but like maybe I should do Python after that. You know, maybe let's switch it up a bit. We can go math and we do Python after that. Just or we can, the reason I actually learned C++ a little bit a while back because my Arduino, uses C++, but like there's no reason for me to use it after that, but whatever. Alright, thank you everyone for watching, and thank you for the 100 gifted! Appreciate it tons, bro. Appreciate it tons. And there you go, he got 10 more. Damn, bro. Appreciate it, man. Love that. You don't have to do that. I'm not telling you to do it. It's all on your goodwill. To everyone who has just become a member because of his generosity, check the pinned message. That is the members only Discord server. Just input your YouTube name, and if your name is in my list, then you can get in. You're not gonna get kicked out if the membership runs out, because I don't have a system for that. I don't feel like having a bot that does that. So, you brainwashed me into giving subs. Christ. But yeah. Thank you for watching the stream, and see you tomorrow!